How's it going, guys? My name is Kane. Welcome to my first video. I do challenges and gaming videos, and I'm hoping that every single time I do a challenge, y'all can challenge me to do something even harder or like worse than the last one. So go ahead and comment down below what challenge I should do next. But today I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge, and got my teaspoon here, and I'm going to put my own twist on this. I cannot down this Mountain Dew, which
Water sucks.
it really does. I cannot down this Mountain Dew until the 1 minute on the microwave goes off. It's gonna be bad. I mean, yeah, cinnamon's healthy for you. Oh, this is bringing back memories. I did this whenever I was a little kid. Gotta do 1 teaspoon, so got a towel here, just so the cinnamon doesn't get on the counter. Oh my. I hate to admit it, but more cinnamon's getting on the towel than it is on the spoon. Okay, go ahead and open this thing up. Oh, sounds awesome. I'm gonna put that back on. Put a screw on. There we go. That's a lot of cinnamon. I'm ready. The timer starts now. Oh, that was horrible. Cinnamon's all over the counter. Oh, that was horrible. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It went everywhere. It's horrible. I need another drink. So guys, that was the cinnamon challenge. Like and subscribe for more. Comment down below what challenge I should do next. And I'll see you guys next time.